Hey, this is Rich from housebarons.com. My brother Dave and I renovate houses. We'd like to show you how to do projects yourself so you can save a lot of money. And today we'd like to show you how to replace the flapper in your toilet. Alright, so this is what you want to purchase. This one is by Fluid Master. We'll put a link in the description below. That's our Amazon affiliate link. If you click on the link, then Amazon will pay us a small commission. It won't cost you anything, and we can get Dave eventually a new pair of shoes. Okay, so what we're talking about is this little red flapper that is at the bottom there. And you know, when we flush the toilet, that will go up in the air and it will be refilling the toilet because this water is going to go out and then new water is going to come in. And so the first thing we need to do is locate somewhere behind your toilet near the floor. There'll be a valve like this, and just turn it clockwise to the right. Turn it until it's completely off. And then we're going to flush it. And let's just hold it down. By holding the handle down, it's going to get a lot of the water out. There's usually a chain up here that's attached to the handle's lever, and then down here there's like two little wing posts, so we can get those. We'll take all that off. This has a little clip on it, so you just do it kind of like a safety pin. So you just unhook that one, and then down in here, all you got to do is lift up on the right side, and lift up on the left side, and it unsnaps. So there's our flapper valve. And a lot of times, believe it or not, this is the whole problem with the toilet, why it's leaking. So we're going to put the new one on now. We'll install this in the reverse order of what we just undid. So this has like these two clips, and they're going to clip onto posts on the right and left side of the refill column, and they just snap on. And then there's a little chain. There'll be a little place at the top of this lever to clip that in. Alright, now that's clipped in, but it's not the right adjustment. Okay, so this has little links on it, and so there's like a hook deal, and we're gonna put it down about 12 links onto this flapper. We'll see if that'll work. Alright, now I'll try to hook it onto the lever again. Alright, that seems fine. Like, how you'll know if you have enough slack in the chain is when it's at its resting position, you want this flapper to seal, and so if it goes all the way down, it's fine. So we're just trying to flush it, let it go back down. So that seems fine. Okay, so now the flapper valve is reinstalled, and we're just going to turn the water back on. All we got to do is come back down here and turn this handle to the left. So now all we need to do is replace the lid of this toilet. Alright, let's see, there's Claire the dog. She went to see what was happening. And she's checking out the flapper. That's the old flapper, Claire. Alright, so anyway, we're in business now. We'll flush again. Let's see if this baby works. Awesome. Well, hooray, that's been fixed, and it appears like that's what the problem was with this particular toilet, because it's functioning really well right now. As you can see, it was very simple to replace the flapper, and there's a great chance that that already fixed the problem. But if you're still having an issue with your toilet, we're going to make another video where we replace the toilet fill valve, and more than likely that's going to take care of your problem. And if that doesn't, well, or maybe you've got an old disgusting toilet that you just don't want anymore and you just want to totally replace that, we have a video that we've done about that one as well, and we'll put a link to that. So thanks much for viewing. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, because we make a lot of home improvement videos, how-to videos that you can do yourself. And thanks much for viewing.